Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to bid on branded keywords, simple trick to avoid bans. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, simple, the straightforward way, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. Let's keep it simple and short. So again, I need to log in, but again, this is XCPR. I've made around $10,000 with XCPR. So again, right now I'm still making money, but guess what guys, when you search XCPR and go on search, the first product which comes is XCPR. Okay, so when you read your terms and conditions, they would say brand bidding is not allowed, right? Perfect, it makes sense. Okay, but imagine what if you're starting new. So I did brand bidding, I got blocked. Okay, so I got blocked, but again, in clickbank I made around $2,000-3,000 with XCPR. And guess what guys, it doesn't matter. What I do is, let me open my paint so I'll give you an idea. Paint. So think about it in such a way. Okay, so imagine you're a person. Okay, literally you have zero money in your account. Okay, once you brand bidding will get you the fastest money. Once you do brand bidding, once you have $2,000-3,000 $3K, then what you could do is you can run generic campaigns. So let's say for example right now you're running XCP, or you made some sales, and then later run on keywords like how to lose weight and all that. Okay, so this is your money to start the business. Okay, and again guys, again if you go on offer wall, doesn't matter. So for me right now XCPR product is banned on clickbank, but guess what, there are other, like traffic ventures is there, diet, weight loss. So again you can go on offer wall, you can find tons of offers, so you can go and check it out. Again, XCPR is over here, run the offer. If I do, this website's name is, I don't know what is it. So again, network traffic ventures is there, you can sign up. Again, big offers, again one bottle of XCPR, max web is there. So again, if you get blocked over here on brand bidding, there are 100 different, if I type over it XCPR, there are 100 different websites, marketplaces you can use to promote XCPR. So if you get blocked by brand bidding, doesn't matter, just make your money. Trust me, with XCPR I've made around $10,000. Okay, so $10,000 is a lot for me. So that's how it is. If you want to brand bid, you can bid. I know it's over here, it's written. Okay, so they are gonna block you eventually, but guess what, till the time they block you, you're already making $5,000 to $1,000. Okay, so I think so that's it for today's video. I'll keep it simple and short. And guys, if you are looking to make money online, okay, and getting 500% ROI, I have a free training. Okay, literally it's a free training, you can go and join. Again, in this training I show you brand bidding as well as generic keyword campaigns. Okay, so just go there, join the free training, nothing to lose. And that's it guys. So I think so, hope you really like the video, and I think so please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me, and thank you. Yavar Khan signing off.